Good morning, class. You all are welcomed in this EVS classroom. Today, I'll explain chapter 2, Our Body. You know that God has given us this wonderful body, and our body is just like a machine. This is made of several parts. All the parts of our body are equally important and have a different role to play. It means every organ has its own work to do. Now, student, look at here. A boy is there and some body parts are indicated. Hair, ear, eyes, nose, mouth, neck, finger, hand, leg, thigh and foot. So, you should remember that our whole body is divided into three categories. First one is sense organ, second one external organs, and third one is internal organs. First of all, we discuss about sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. These organs act like windows of the body. Our body comes to know things around us through these 5 windows. These sense organs are eyes, nose, ear, tongue, and skin. All our sense organs are visible on our face, which is the front part of the head. Now we discuss function of each sense organ. Our first sense organ is our eyes. Eyes help us to see. Next is ear. Ear help us to hear. Third one is nose. It helps us to smell. Students, how you come to know that smell is good or bad? Yes, with the help of your nose. When you smell perfume, you feel happy because it is good smell. And when you smell some rubbish, then you feel bad. It is by the nose. Our nose has one more important work, that is breathing. We breathe with the help of our nose. Now fourth one is tongue. It helps us to taste things. Children, when your mama cooks tasty dishes for you, then how you come to know that dish is sweet, salty, bitter and sour? Yes, your tongue helps you about this, to tell about this. Now last sense organ is our skin. It is the largest sense organ and you feel with this organ. When you touch something that is very hot, you at once remove your hand from that hot object. Why? Because your skin tells you that the thing is very hot and so you should not touch this. Now come to the second category of organ, that is the external organ. Our body has some organ which can be seen by our eyes, that is hands, legs, fingers, head, nose, toes, etc. You can see all these organs very easily. So these are called external organ. Now the last category is internal organ. Some organ of our body cannot be seen by us because they are inside our body. For example, brain, heart, stomach, lungs, kidney, muscles and bones. These internal organs have special work to perform. Students, Now I will tell you about the function of these internal organs. First of all, you should know about brain. What is the function of brain? We can think, learn, understand anything by our brain. Our brain also control whole body system and govern the whole activity of body. Now, next one is lungs. Lungs are in two parts. Lungs help us in breathing. Students, you should know that we inhale oxygen from the environment and exhale carbon dioxide. This is to be done by our lungs. Now, stomach. When you eat something, where it goes? It goes into a bag-like organ. You can call it stomach. Our stomach, first of all, store food and then help it to digest. Now, the next internal organ is heart. It is the most important part of our body. You can feel it. Although it is an internal organ, but you can feel it. When you place your hand in the middle of your chest, you feel heartbeats. The work of heart is to pump blood throughout the body. Next one is kidney. We have two kidneys. Their work is to filter our blood and remove waste from body. Another internal organs are bones and muscles. Bones provide stability to the body and muscles keep bone in place and also help in the movement of bones. Students, now I think you have lots of information about your body and its organs. But this is not sufficient. You must know how you keep your body fit and healthy. For this, you should do regular exercise and yoga. Side by side, you should keep your body neat and clean. One thing more, you must take healthy food. So, by these things, you can make your body healthy and fit. Okay, students, this is the explanation of our body. Hope now you understand everything. Goodbye. Stay home, stay safe.